Wrestling seniors.
Cindy E. Orozco.
Sebastian Marin.
Went to state. That was great.
My favorite memory was going to the CCS finals and losing. But I mean, at least I made it to the CCS finals and I moved on to state.
All right, great job.
2 months.
I've been wrestling for 4 years.
For me, it was training for CCS. I had to get ready in like 2 weeks to go to CCS, and after it was CCS training. That was hell hard. I mean, really hard. It was very difficult.
Back to me.
Back to you.
For me,
Sebastian Marin.
just learning new moves and technique was difficult because I had to memorize it and know when to use it. But that's about it.
Join early. Join early and train hard, and you'll.
Yeah. If you're gonna do wrestling, you might as well spend your whole time on it so you can improve and do good.
Shout out to all the coaches, and shout out to shout out to the freshman Alan that I wrestled every single day, and he helped me a lot. And shout out to Sebastian Marin, because his hair was fabulous. It's not now, but I mean, that's okay. Anyway.